Are you an incoming student to Ontario Tech University and wondering what laptop to use? Meet Anya and Mark. They're both going into their first year and have a few questions. What laptop specs are required for my program?
Depending on which program you're entering, we'd ask that you check out our BYOD TELE page under Laptop Standards. Please see description below for all links. The specs of your laptop are dependent on your faculty. Check the minimum recommended laptop specification table for general guidelines to follow when you're shopping for a laptop. If you have a laptop at home, you can also use our verification tool to check if it meets our minimum requirements.
Does the university sell or suggest any specific models?
The university is partnered with some major laptop vendors. Please visit our suggested devices page and select the laptop for your program.
What software do I need, and do I need to buy it?
All students will receive software through the Ontario Tech Software Portal, including Microsoft Office and course-specific software. Once you register for classes, you can start downloading software from anywhere at any time.
What if I need to print something?
There are many printers available across the campus which you can print to at any time. You'll need to install a printer queue before printing. This is done only once. You'll also need your campus ID card to release your print job from the nearest printer.
How do I connect to Wi-Fi?
You can connect your laptop and phone to our Wi-Fi, which is called Campus Air. All you have to do is enter your student ID number and your network password.
If I have any technical questions, can you help me out?
Yes, we have a dedicated group of staff members both at the main and downtown locations ready to help you out. You can reach us by calling 905-721-3333.
For more information, please visit our website at itsc.ontariotechu.ca. Please see the description below for all links related to this video.